Auburn, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Tiana XO from Amore in the color Auburn Sugar. Now this isn't going to be about the color so much, so if you want to learn more about Auburn Sugar, make sure you stay tuned to our CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel where we house all of our color spotlights going forward. But this is more about Tiana. I just finished reviewing Salon Sleek by Amore, and this is like the same cut. It's just rounder. And that's because she's in Amore wig. She's got a ton of hair. So if you like this and you're looking for a slightly less voluminous version, Salon Sleek may be the one you're looking for. But if you want the volume and you like how rounded this is, and it's pretty fresh and cute looking, if you like the little bit of extra hair and how much volume you get, then Tiana is really going to be your best bet. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Tiana XO by Amore looks like on all sides. This is a really cute sort of modified pixie. It has a double monofilament top, which I'll show you in just a second. She's also got this really long front, which I'm playing with right now, so you can kind of see the possibilities here. Now it is cut kind of unevenly on purpose, and that's why she's got this really nice layered front. You wouldn't get that if it was all the same length straight across. Looks really nice in this Auburn Sugar. This one could potentially even be unisex, you know, if you're into this kind of long on top sort of style. Very short in the back. Has a lot of layering, so has a lot of potential for styling. This is a great one for contour cream or some sort of synthetic safe styling cream. You just put that on your fingers and do this with the cream. And it kind of helps separate those layers out. And here's what that mono top looks like. So let me go ahead and take Tiana off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. This is an Amore wig, so she's got this delicious double monofilament top. Now, not all Amore wigs have these, but this one certainly does, and it's very soft on top. She's also got a generous bit of polyurethane right at the front hairline, so you can put adhesive there if you want, but make sure you don't have hair under there or else, ouch, you're gonna pull your hair out. This is actually a completely closed cap wig. This one might actually be sort of like, you know, a good one for people who are looking for head coverings. Provided that you can use polyester products, because most of this wig is made of polyester products. Anyway, you have a closed lace ear tab that has a little bit of polyurethane, the closed wefted back, as I mentioned. It is wefted in the back. You also have a little bit of elastic here to let it in and out like a bra strap. She's got an extended nape. There's no felt at the nape except for like right here on like the part that the tag's attached to. But you also have these nice little bits of polyurethane and sort of square shaped inserts on the nape. You could put adhesive there if you like, which is pretty sweet. This is what the layering on Tiana XO looks like up close. And there is that double mono top. These kinds of monotops trap heat, which isn't great in hot weather, but when it's cool outside, that's really nice because it helps keep you warm. And the other good thing is you don't necessarily have to wear a wig cap with a wig with a double monofilament top, because it kind of comes with its own built-in wig cap, which is pretty sweet. Now this does not have a lace front, so that's one drawback, but you know, I think the rest of the style is cool enough that you almost don't need one. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs, and this is Tiana from Amore. You can find them at CysterWigs, and that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I look forward to seeing you next time, and have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.